Hello! We've added a feature for you to create and track your packing materials' master data, usage, and costs. Just head over to Packing Materials in the navigation menu. You can create each packing material by entering its name and type. If you're a 3PL, decide whether it applies to all clients or a specific one. Add dimensions, weight, and cost to monitor your spending on packing materials. Once created, you can activate, deactivate, or delete a packing material. Remember, if a packing material has been used in a past fulfillment, it can't be deleted, but you can deactivate it to prevent it from appearing in future selections. In future videos, we'll guide you on using these packing materials during fulfillment. You can also export your packing materials, much like other listing information from the Ignite platform,